If I'm saying welcome back to NeTech, and to this video I'm going to be showing you how you can spy your competitors to check if they're running Facebook ads or running a current campaign on Facebook. Now the first thing is to launch a browser, and you'd want to visit the page of your competitor on Facebook. Now for a case study, we're going to be using this page to check if they are running ads and what type of ads that they are running. Now once you're on the page, the next thing is to click on the About tab, and then you'd want to scroll down and click on Page Transparency, and just right here you can see this note that says this page is currently running ads. Alright, so we just go ahead and click on See All, and then you see the option to go to the ads library, and from there we can dig in deep. And here we are on the ad library. So here we can see the details of ads they are running is just one, and we can see since when the ads have been running. The ad started running this date, and it's been active for about 22 hours. And you can also see the ad creative. You can see the upper page that the ad is being directed to. Is it a landing page? Of course, you can determine all that. So that's how to basically check if your competitors are running ads at the time. Thank you for watching the video, and like and share, and also subscribe to our channel.